How to lose 30 pounds in 3 months with targeted exercises. Shedding 30 pounds within 3 months might seem impossible, but it's doable if you set your mind to it. Apart from making healthy food choices, it will involve committing to completing a simple but intensive workout every day. This workout is designed to focus on one body part at a time. Doing this ensures you hit all your muscle groups daily, build your muscles, and make your body more efficient at burning fat. There are 5 targeted exercises in this weight loss workout regimen. They work in unison, so you must know how each works and how to do them to have the success you seek. So pay attention to each exercise and master it. Following is how each exercise is done. So be ready and prepare your exercise mat and do these workouts composed of targeted exercises that will help you transform your body in just 3 months. Arms, tricep dips. The triceps are where your arms store the most fat and the most challenging place to burn it. Exercises targeting this area will help you develop more robust and leaner arms. Here's how. Find a sturdy chair and sit at its edge. Place your hand on each side of your hips and grip the edge of the seat. Plant your feet around 2 feet from the seat. Slowly slide your butt from the chair so that you're holding yourself up using the soles of your feet and the palms of your hands. Bend your knees and elbows to lower your butt towards the ground. Then extend your elbows and straighten your legs to lift your body back up. Repeat until you've completed 10 tricep dips. Chest, push-ups. Push-ups are efficient because they target your chest and require you to activate all your major muscle groups. Primarily, doing this will improve your upper body strength. Here's how to do it. On your exercise mat, lie face down with your palms pressed beside your shoulders. Hold yourself up with your palms and toes. Make sure you keep your body as straight as you can. Straighten your arms to raise your body off the mat. Slowly lower yourself back to your original position. Repeat until you've completed 10 push-ups. Trunk, plank. Although planks engage all major muscle groups, it requires your core to do much work. Thus, doing this exercise helps strengthen your spine, back, and abs. Here's how to do it properly. On your exercise mat, prop yourself up with your palms and toes. Keep your feet around shoulder width apart and your palms below your shoulders. Keep your body as straight as you can. Make sure your hips don't droop down. Hold your plank position for 30 seconds. Trunk, wood chops. Like planks, wood chops engage all major muscle groups. However, it specifically targets the sides of your abs and has the additional benefit of strengthening your hips. Here's how to do it. Stand up straight with your feet around hip width apart. Clasp your hands together and hold them in front of you. Raise your hands above the right side of your head before slowly swinging them back down diagonally towards your left hip. Bring your hands back from your left hip to the right side of your head. Repeat until you've completed 10 wood chops from right to left. Then switch sides and complete 10 wood chops from left to right. Legs, squat jumps. Squat jumps use several muscle groups for stability, but mainly strengthen your calves, thighs, and butt. It also serves as an efficient cardiovascular exercise, which helps you burn fat faster. Here's how to do it. Stand with your feet around hip width apart. Keep your hands at your sides to help you build momentum. Lower yourself into a squat. Hold your lowest position for 2 seconds. Swing your arms back to gain momentum before jumping up as high as possible. As you land, lower yourself back into a squat. Repeat until you've completed 10 squat jumps. Once you're done with all 5 targeted exercises, Rest for no more than 30 seconds and repeat the entire set until you've completed a 30-minute workout. After a couple of weeks, you should notice that you can do the exercises more quickly, so you'll be able to burn even more fat by doing more sets for the allotted 30 minutes. If you keep at this, continue to challenge yourself, and maintain a proper diet, you'll undoubtedly reach your goal of losing 30 pounds within 3 months. I hope you liked the video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you.